Hi, my name's John Feller. I'm here with my colleague Artem Popkov. We're from IBM's Emerging Internet Technologies team. Today we're here to demonstrate Lotus Mashups technology. We'd like to show you a demo that utilizes data from a variety of sources and allows a user to create a situational application. Today's demo will highlight an NCAA college basketball fans situational app. We will utilize Strike Iron's college basketball web service along with AccuWeather as well as some maps technology. So Artem, could you go ahead and describe this demo?
Absolutely. Thank you, John. Hey, everybody. Well, as John mentioned, this application is all about college basketball. And we thought that it would be a very neat idea if we could help a college basketball fan to plan a trip to see a game. And this college basketball fan may pick a team that they're interested in, and they would like to find a game that their team plays in, or possibly another team in the conference. Then, once the game is there, they could pick an arena where the game is held, and we're going to show the arena on the map surrounded by restaurants. You can see that once the information is displayed on the map, a big marker displays the location of the arena itself, Moby Arena in this case, and there are several markers of different restaurants around that the user may pick from and call the restaurant, make a reservation. We also retrieve data using some backend services which I'll talk about later, but some of them return multiple restaurants for a single location. We did solve this issue by placing information about restaurants like that into a single marker. For instance, you can notice that this marker has only one restaurant, Taco Bell, and you have a phone number, and this marker has several restaurants which you can pick from. In addition to retrieving restaurant information and giving it to a user, we also show weather forecast at the location for the next 5 days. This way, a basketball fan can find a game that he or she is interested in, make a reservation in a restaurant for dinner, go see a game, and know if he or she needs an umbrella to go to the game.
Oh, that's pretty neat, and I could see this being extended in a variety of ways with additional information, perhaps instead of restaurants, or you could supplement it with nearby hotels, that if you needed to spend the night at a place near the arena. So this is really interesting. I'm actually curious to find out a little bit more about the data sources that you used. Where did you find them? And then how did you actually assemble this application using the Lotus Mashup tools?
Very good. Very good. Let me take you through the services, John, first, and I'll talk about wiring the application together or putting it all together after that. First, we use a Strike Iron college basketball service, as you mentioned before, and we use the Get Schedule for Conference service, which allows us to retrieve location of each game and the arena. We then use the address that we stored in our application for those arenas to display the arena on the map, and we use Yahoo Map service to display the map itself. We also utilize Yahoo Local Service to retrieve top-rated restaurants in the area, in the vicinity of the arena. As you absolutely correctly noticed, we could add additional information because if you go and check the specification for Yahoo Local Service, there is information available for other points of interest. So whoever creates or extends this widget may think of things like that. Also, we retrieve weather from AccuWeather.com, as you can notice, and we use AccuWeather web service for that. We wrote the widget in a way that you can click on the widget and it will take you straight to the AccuWeather.com web page where you can find additional information about the weather.
Okay, that's really neat. So again, how can you assemble this, and where do you get these widgets from? Is there some kind of pull down or palette of showing where these widgets can be found?
Absolutely. Well, the way Lotus Mashups are made, you have two different paradigms. You have a view paradigm, and that's where we are right now. But also you can go to an edit paradigm, which allows you to make modifications to applications or create brand new applications. For this particular solution or application mashup, we've created a separate category in the palette that is called US College Basketball. This palette category contains all those widgets that you can see on the canvas. And the user who wires this application has just take them and drag them from the category and drop them on the canvas. Once the widgets are on the canvas, a user may connect them together. And to do that, in Lotus Mashups, you see little icons on top of every widget in edit mode that allow you to go and connect them together. If I click on one of those little icons, I can see that the Team Strike Iron widget sends inventory to the data view widget through the inventory property. I can connect or disconnect the two and make sure that the data is being passed or not being passed between those two widgets. In this particular application, in order to demonstrate how Lotus Mashups work, we create kind of a Z-shape connection between all the widgets. The data flows from Team Striker widgets to data view widget, then it's being passed from data view to the location map, and from the location map to the AccuWeather component. So just to demonstrate my point, AccuWeather component receives a zip code from the location map. And if I wanted to disconnect the two, all I had to do was pressing the disconnect button right here.
Oh, well, that's interesting. So basically, you're having widget-to-widget communication, and in this particular example, you're connecting the maps to the AccuWeather widget, and the map has an address field of the arena with an associated zip code, and you pass that to AccuWeather, and then AccuWeather goes out to their website and I guess finds the weather for that particular zip code.
Well, that's absolutely correct, John. That's exactly how it works.
So thank you for showing us that demo, Artem. If you're interested in knowing more about Lotus Mashups and the technology surrounding it, please visit us at ibm.com.